So this is my 1998 Honda Valkyrie, big flat six, 1500. Love the motorcycle. We just put on our new True Ceramic coating. We've been working on it for a long time. This is the easy to add, the easy to apply coating, and it gives you a super deep, clear finish. Look at that. That's a 20-year-old paint job, and it just brought it back to life. You can actually use it on the chrome and the wheels, and it lasts for about a year. This is the less expensive, easy to use version. We also have a pro version, but this is our True Ceramic coating. And you can see us at trueceramiccoating.com, or also obviously on our Bestline Lubricants site at Racing Additives and our other sites. So this is something we're going to launch here. We'll have inventory in about 2 weeks. But this is a pre-sale product. Come get it now. It's on sale. You can get your own version of it and shine up your ride to the max. Bring it back like brand new. So I'm going to show you a little example of what it looks like with dumping water on it. And the water just jumps right off. I mean, the water doesn't want to stick around at all. It's completely a hydrophobic surface. It does take about 12 hours to cure, so you can't do this for about 12 hours after you put it on. But once you put it on, the dirt and water, I mean, the water just washes the dirt off without any effort at all. So that's the new True Ceramic coating. And come get it at Bestline, Racing Additives, or at trueceramiccoating.com. See you guys then. We're going to run some more videos of lots of other vehicles and different paint jobs to give you a better idea of what this is. But we've been working on this for months, and we're ready to sell it. See you then.